Hello traders, this is Ala Placher on a beautiful Sunday morning, April 6th, as I'm trying to wake up from the most spectacular trading bootcamp, as every single trading bootcamp becomes only more powerful, only better, and especially that was done during historical events. So when you're witnessing what students share about the bootcamp, about their performance, as Legend CEO who joined us in the bootcamp, who shared extremely powerful performance and stated what Allah teaches is a solid, robust, consistent set of well-defined rules to analyzing price action and arming one with the tools to ultimately conquer the markets. And again, hit the pause and read the entire email, because Theo is my dearest friend for life and I can't wait to meet him in person delivering this performance in the last few months. Again, Theo spoke in the bootcamp. I will be uploading video of his podcast as well. This is Pablo, complete beginner trader when he joined Fibonacci Trading Institute, who just approved to trade top step trader accounts, which you probably know takes a very serious trading test to pass. Pablo was approved and sent me his certificate for top step performer. Pablo was complete beginner trader when he joined Fibonacci Trading Institute. And right now Pablo is trading S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, gold, oil. As CEO also shared, he trades futures and trade Forex as well, as Pablo also confirms 7 major currencies. Pablo in Spain, CEO in Australia, entirely different traders, entirely different backgrounds, entirely different accounts. Identical, phenomenal success journey. Matthias just joined us in the course from Germany, scientist who struggled for many years. Much more from Matthias to come. But this is what he's sharing, his performance, as he shares what has delivered in the course after only 2.5 weeks. Genius who is making an effort after struggling for the previous 8 years. Vertical curve after very beginning, as you could see. Prior, at the start of the course, Matthias did not know what he was doing, but he traded for 8 years before. Within the first week, performance skyrocketed. Matthias starting out small with micro down. This is what Matthias has shared at the very start of the bootcamp. First of all, thank you for the next absolutely amazing second day of the bootcamp. Best investment of the last 10 years to take your course. Brand new student just started and sharing how it changed his trading forever. Summarizing very clearly, few days after starting the course, after 8 years of stress, 80,000 euro in losses and 20,000 euro for indicators on software, I can trade after 20 days. $150 in one session with a single micro Dow contract. If you understand what this means, if you translate it to regular future contract, multiply it tenfold. Genius scientist who lost a fortune prior, now successful student only after 3 weeks in the course. Sue stopped by in the trading bootcamp sharing her phenomenal journey of incredible struggles for the previous 15 years. As she chased and struggled, taking multiple courses, trying with futures, options, already successful software developer, she could not understand why nothing has worked until she finally found me on the internet. And when she took Fibonacci Trading Institute, she was drawn by its simplicity and ease and went ahead and took the course. Right now, Sue is managing others' 401k accounts, and she's making money, serious money, on solid, consistent basis. Trading S&P, trading SPY, trading multiple other instruments such as gold, Bitcoin, oil, silver. Entirely different world, meaning Sue is based in Texas, not in Germany, not in Spain, not in UK, as other students are. Sue is based right here in US. Phenomenal success story of immigrant who struggled for years, not anymore. Patrick had joined the course 15 years ago, and he decided to jump right into the bootcamp, as of course my teaching had involved. In 15 years, as Patrick says, the most incredible words that absolutely make me blush. I consider you the genius of Fibonacci. And as he says, he understands that multiple other Fibonacci methods have congruence. And as he says, your method is obviously the best. And Patrick, in the bootcamp, up $1,200 single first week. And that's what he says. None of the other observations work on price action and fibs. None. Only yours. And as he says, this bootcamp has changed my trading. My tears again. Absolute emails, phenomenal emails filled with gratefulness. Kurt sharing how spectacular the bootcamp was with success rate of 80%. Once a year, I invite the graduates to learn my latest strategy. And I just also invited Kurt to learn that. His performance skyrocketed from 80 to even higher. In the core course, you learn my core strategies, and if you decide to learn so much more, there is no limit to how much I can teach you about financial markets. I constantly develop my own system, and students all over the world prove when you make an effort, the sky's the limit. This is what Kurt delivered with my latest strategy. What a phenomenal performance by genius, intelligent trader. And this is very kind words from my students all over the world. Incredible bootcamp. Thank you so much. Always helpful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And these are the words that melt my soul. And this is the reason I offer April special. If you could not attend the bootcamp, or you live on the different time zone, or you just joined Fibonacci Trading Institute while the world losing its mind and we're in historical market formations, I am offering the recordings of Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp with April special savings up to $10,000. So when you start trading with precise institutional alpha Fibonacci lifetime system, you can day in position trade with precise entry, stop and target across all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. You also have optional alpha Fibonacci software available to you for day trading futures with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. So please view my students' performance, read my students' reviews, and choose the option appropriate for you. And when you do, please recognize private mentoring, always the most desirable option, with a recording of Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp savings, $10,000. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, this is the option you want to take, option 1 and 3. The most popular option group course with a lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 and lifetime system for all platforms. So please review all the information on the website, and remember, if these traders have done it, so can you. I live and breathe what I do. Proprietary system traded globally since 2011 in more than 50 countries. Fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives, friends bringing their friends to the course. If you have any questions for me, losing my voice after bootcamp, simply click on Contact Us section and call and pick up the phone. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I live and breathe what I do. All I ask you is make an effort. And when you do, the sky's the limit, as proven by traders all over the world since 2011. Thank you so much, everyone. We're starting bright and early tomorrow morning with my students. And again, you can always request invitation to the trading room, where you can witness proprietary system in the live markets and ask me questions about any instrument you choose.